September 2024 marks 2 years of unjust incarceration of former leaders and ban on PFI, Popular Front of India organization. 42 Muslim men were arrested under draconian UAPA by National Investigation Agency NIA in its first nationwide clampdown on PFI on September 22, 2022. 6 days later, on September 28, the Union Government of India banned PFI and its associates including Campus Front of India, Rehab India Foundation, All India Imams Council, National Confederation of Human Rights Organization, National Women's Front, Junior Front, Empowerment India, and Rehab Foundation. The organizations were declared as unlawful association for a period of 5 years. The arrests were made in states and union territories including Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Puducherry, Delhi and Rajasthan. These leaders arrested following the ban included a professor, teacher, librarian and other professionals who were playing a tremendous part in the empowerment of the society, focusing on the marginalized community who are now languishing behind bars under false charges. The FIR was registered under Section 120B and 153A of the Indian Penal Code, 1860 and Section 17, 18, 18B, 20, 22B, 38 and 39 of the UAPA. While only a few local leaders were able to achieve bail, the rest of the arrested leaders, including aged individuals, have spent 2 years in prison, despite not being convicted in any of the cases. The Supreme Court on Friday, 20th September, sought a response from the National Investigation Agency NIA on plea filed by former chief of the outlawed Popular Front of India PFI, E. Abu Bakr, seeking release in case registered against him under anti-terror law UAPA. Abu Bakr, who was arrested by the NIA during massive crackdown on the organization in 2022 and is lodged in judicial custody, had approached the High Court after the trial court rejected his bail application. 71-year-old Abu Bakr suffered from serious medical ailments, including a rare form of cancer and Parkinson's disease. What is Popular Front of India? Popular Front of India, formed in 2006, also known as PFI. The PFI described itself as a non-government social organization whose stated objective is to work for the poor and disadvantaged people in the country and to oppose oppression and exploitation. The government says it has banned the PFI and its associate group for allegedly undertaking unlawful activities which are prejudicial to the integrity, sovereignty and security of the country. Hindu groups aligned with India's governing Bharatiya Janata Party had long demanded a total ban on the PFI, and the Kerala High Court once described it as an extremist organization. In near simultaneous raids across the country as a part of multi-agency operation spearheaded by the NIA, a large number of PFI activists were detained or arrested in 11 states for allegedly supporting terrorist activities in the country. Reports say that more than 250 people linked to the group have been arrested during the raids held on September 22 and 27 in 2022. Activists say that the unjust detention of PFI leaders is a crystal clear example of the political vendetta carried out by the RSS BJP-led central government. Several rights groups and Muslim organizations have called the ban on PFI arbitrary and unconstitutional, and they are demanding the release of its leaders.